In this video, I will be showing you how to make a Ghibli-style art profile picture with ChatGPT and Canva. Let's get started. I'll start right here on the ChatGPT homepage. First, I click on the plus icon next to the text box. Then I open the More menu and select Canva from the list of options. Now I type in my prompt. I'm asking them to create a Studio Ghibli-style portrait of a young person to use as a soft, dreamy profile picture. I'm adding specific details, requesting warm lighting, gentle pastel colors, and detailed anime-style facial features. To bring it all together, I ask for a peaceful background like a quiet village or sunset, making sure it looks cinematic and highly detailed. Once my prompt is ready, I hit send. Now we just wait a moment while ChatGPT works with Canva to generate the designs. This process can take a little bit of time. Canva is working in the background to interpret all those specific Ghibli-inspired elements we asked for, blending the dreamy aesthetic with the right colors and lighting to give us a few unique options to choose from. Once the generation is complete, ChatGPT presents me with a set of different variations. I scroll down just a bit to look at the results. Let's check out the first option. I click on the image to open up a larger preview right here in the chat. It looks great, but I want to view it directly in the editor. So, I click Open in Canva in the top right corner. This opens a brand new tab, loading our generated portrait straight into the Canva workspace. From here, I move down to the bottom right corner and use the slider to zoom in. This lets me closely inspect the details of the artwork. Then I zoom back out. I'll switch back over to my ChatGPT tab and click the X to close this preview. Now, let's look at another option. I click on the fourth image to open its preview. Just like before, I click Open in Canva at the top right. Another tab opens and our second portrait is ready in Canva. Again, I go down to the zoom slider at the bottom right, zoom in close to check out the details in the face and the dreamy art style, and then zoom back out to see the full picture. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.